SecuraDoor, the strongest forced entry protection available. Congratulations on your new SecuraDoor. This guide will help ensure proper installation. Please watch the entire video before installation. Step 1. Attach the footplate. Attach the footplate to the bottom tube using the ring and pull pins supplied. The footplate only attaches in one direction to help ensure it is attached correctly. Step 2. Release the upper tube. Pull the sizing pin located on the collar so the top portion easily moves up and down for proper sizing. Step 3. Adjust to proper size. Lift the upper tube until the pin on the handle is in line with the door handle and the latch. If the tube needs to be adjusted to expose an adjusting hole, slowly lift the upper tube until a hole appears. Then reinsert the collar pin. Step 4. Adjust with slight compression. Move SecuraDoor into place with the handle in the open position secured around the doorknob post. The footplate should be flat on the floor. Close SecuraDoor by pushing the handle down. You should feel a slight tension or compression when doing so. To add a small amount of tension, use your foot to kick the footplate closer to the door. SecuraDoor is extremely strong, so be sure not to apply too much compression. Please note SecuraDoor is stronger than your door's hardware. Adding excessive compression to the handle and door could cause damage to your door's hardware. A little resistance when closing the handle is normal, but please do not force the handle into the closed position.